Hello, what's up everyone? Welcome back to another video. Now today I'll be sharing a recipe for a coconut baked chicken. This one was a hit in my house and everybody loved it. So guys, let's get started. Here I have some fresh green season that was made prior to this video. And here are my spices that I'll be using. I have some paprika, some chicken seasoning, chicken bouillon, Cajun seasoning, all-purpose and complete seasoning, but feel free to use any seasoning of choice, season to your liking. Here I have my chicken that already cleaned. I went ahead and trim off some of the excess fat and the skin, and I went ahead and washed this up in some white distilled vinegar, but of course you could use lemon juice to clean your chicken, and you could deskin it or leave it on, but I want to leave it on for this purpose. I'll be adding some soy sauce as well. Now I'm going to go in with my green seasoning, and I'm going to mix my spices, and I'm going to go in with majority of it, but I won't be using all. I'll be saving the rest for later on in the video, and I'll be showing you what I'll be doing with that next. So I'm just going to add a generous amount, and I'm going to massage the chicken in. Add my soy sauce. You don't want to add too much soy sauce because it's salty, and the seasoning have salt, so I did not add any salt at all to this dish. Now I'm going to go ahead and massage my chicken and set this aside to marinate. This was actually marinating for about 6 hours, but if you have longer time, by all means go ahead. So I'm just going to massage and set this aside to marinate. Now here my chicken ready to go. So here I have a baking dish, and I went ahead and peeled and cut up some carrots and potatoes. This is just to soak up that delicious juice that we will be creating later on. And then I'm going to just season them, add some vegetable oil, and I'm going to go in with some of that season that we reserve, and I'm just going to massage this. So we want everything to have flavor, so we're going to give this a good massage and coat all the potatoes and carrots in that delicious spice and herbs. Now I'm going to go ahead and place my chicken thighs on top of the potato. So the potato is creating like a bed for these chicken thighs, and these chicken are going to bake, and the juices from the chicken are going to drip into the potatoes and the carrot, making a very flavorful, tasty and delicious potatoes and carrots. So I'm just gonna set these on nicely on top, nestle them in. As they cook, they will shrink up a bit because these chicken has a lot of water and moisture in it. I won't be adding any liquid, so we're gonna nestle them because this chicken is gonna make a lot of juice. So just add the rest of that seasoning, and I'm gonna show you what I do next. So here I have some coconut milk, hence the word coconut baked chicken, and to that I added about a tablespoon of cornstarch. Now along with the juice from the chicken and this coconut milk, it's going to create a nice thick gravy for the chicken. So you want to pour on your coconut milk, and then we're going to cover with foil paper. I lost that clip where I covered it on camera, but we're going to cover this with foil paper, and we're going to bake in a 350 degrees covered for about 30 minutes. Then I'll show you the next step. After 30 minutes, you want to pull your chicken out, and you're going to go ahead and baste the chicken in all that juice that has been made. And we didn't add any water here, guys. You don't need to add any water. So you just want to baste the chicken, and then you're going to put it back into the oven to finish cooking for an additional 15 to 20 minutes uncovered. And that's basically it, guys. This was so flavorful and tasty. My entire family loved this one. Now guys, if you haven't yet liked this video, give it a thumbs up, share it, leave me a comment down below if you have any questions. Now back into the oven. Now that the chicken is done, you want to go ahead and sprinkle on some fresh parsley. Now this part is totally optional. You don't have to have it, add it if you don't have it, and just, you know, this is to just make it look a little bit prettier and give it a fresh taste. Serve this up however you like. I did went ahead and serve this up with some rice and some fresh vegetables on the side. I didn't get to plate that up for you, but yeah guys, this one was a hit. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Have a good day and bye bye.